Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm here with Art by Mia and today I'm going to paint green words. For this purpose I have made a beautiful painting and named it as Dream Word Painting. I have used these ingredients. First of all, I will put the scale on the sheet and draw a line, and then with a compass I will draw the moon. Follow my steps. Then I pour the acrylic paint on the upper half portion, and using a paintbrush I will spread all this paint around the moon, leaving behind the space for the moon. I will sprinkle white paint with the help of two paintbrushes, and now I am applying purple color and spreading it with a wet paintbrush to make the water. Blend it equally throughout the area as I am doing in the video. And now I will pour white acrylic paint on the moon and using some pink paint and some purple paint and spread it with a sponge. Make sure not to touch the outside of the moon. As you can see, I am using a pink acrylic paint and then applying white paint on the moon to make the clouds as shown in the video. I am using a sponge to make clouds and then making the reflection of the moon on the water. I have dipped the paintbrush into the black acrylic paint and moved it very swiftly to make the shadow of the water. The lower area of this water is black, and then I am using a white acrylic paint to make a shining reflection. I will put pink acrylic paint because I am painting a dreamy word that will give a great effect. Here is a small moon also to add some fiction. I am making small stars that are shining in the sky. One by one I have made 3 stars and 1 moon. So almost this is done, and now I am going to add a little purple effect as I have used purple color in water. So I am going to give purple reflection and shade to the moon. This will enhance the shading. Now I am drawing small buildings and some large one also. Cover the whole area of the moon with buildings. I have made the buildings on the right side. Now I am making it on the left side also. And after this, completing the buildings, I will give the shadow of this building with the help of light black color. You can make it by adding more water in front of the moon. Some buildings are made larger and some are smaller to give the effect of the city. I'm using a paintbrush with black acrylic paint. You can also use a pencil to firstly draw the buildings and then you can add colors to it. I have used a scale to make the line clear, and now it's time to make the reflection of the building. The bigger ones will have bigger reflection while the smaller ones will have smaller reflection. so make according to the size of the building. Okay, after completing the reflection, I have used white paint to add shine to this area. So our dreamy word painting has completed. Don't forget to tell me how was this video and what do you like in this video. I think the water and the cloudy moon is looking so cool. Don't forget to tell me what do you think about it. I have done signing up the painting and now it's your turn to try it. Like, comment and share more and more and wait for the next upcoming videos. So this is the final painting. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.